Welcome, guys. I'm Jade Williams, and you're watching Car Focus on Jexton Electric. In this edition, I'm going to walk you through all the key functions you need to know when using your new Model Y. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss what's next. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to use and drive your new Model Y. Let's start with Phone Key. Phone Key allows you to use your phone's Bluetooth connectivity to automatically unlock your Model Y as you approach, power on when you're ready to drive, and lock as you walk away. To set up Phone Key, enable Bluetooth on your phone, open the Tesla app, and follow the prompts. You can also use your Apple Watch to access and control your vehicle. Set up Watch Key by pairing your phone with your Apple Watch and accessing the Tesla app. Your phone and watch will be able to function as a key even without a cellular connection. Your vehicle also comes with 2 key cards that can be used to unlock and lock your vehicle. I recommend always keeping a key card with you in case your device is unavailable or you need to give someone access to your vehicle, like a valet. To unlock with the key card, place it against the driver's side door pillar. The exterior lights will flash, the side mirrors will unfold, and the horn will sound. Open the door by pressing your thumb into the widest part of the door handle. The handle will pivot into an open position, allowing you to grasp it and pull to open. Once inside, your vehicle will automatically power on by pressing the brake pedal. If using a key card instead of Phone Key or Watch Key, power on your vehicle by placing the key card on the wireless phone charger and pressing the brake pedal. If you wait more than 2 minutes to power on, you will need to remove and place the key card on the wireless phone charger, again to re-authenticate. To exit, press the button at the top of the interior door handle and push the door open. In the unlikely situation where your vehicle has no power, you can open the front doors by pulling the manual door release located in front of the window switches. You can open the rear doors by sliding your finger into the slot at the bottom of the rear door pocket, lifting to remove the cover and pulling the mechanical release forward. Once you have exited, place the key card against the driver's side door pillar to lock. With Phone Key and walk-away door lock enabled, your vehicle will automatically lock when you walk away. The exterior lights will flash, the side mirrors will fold, and the horn will sound, confirming that your vehicle is locked. With driver profiles, you can set and save driver preferences for each driver on your account through your Tesla app. Adjust the front row seat position and lumbar support using the buttons on the side of the driver's seat. Reposition the steering wheel by selecting Controls, then Steering Wheel, and use the left scroll wheel to set it to a comfortable position. Save the position on the touchscreen. To adjust mirrors, select Mirrors, then use the left scroll wheel to adjust each side mirror. To select between driver profiles, touch the driver profile icon at the top of the control screen. Choose the driver and your vehicle is adjusted based on the settings saved to the chosen driver profile. Enable easy entry by tapping your profile, then driver profile settings and toggling it on. With this setting enabled, the driver's seat and steering wheel are automatically adjusted to make it easier to enter and exit your vehicle. For multiple drivers, link each driver profile to the driver's phone key. Your vehicle will automatically adjust to the linked driver profile as they open the door. To do this, select Controls, Locks, and toggle the driver icon to link the desired driver profile. The name of the driver profile appears under the phone key to confirm that it's linked. If you change the position of the driver's seat, steering wheel, or side mirrors after saving or selecting a driver profile, you can either save the new position or restore the previously saved position using the touchscreen. Access driving controls using the touchscreen and steering wheel. Activate turn signals by pressing the indicator stalk up or down. Your turn signal will turn off automatically once your vehicle detects that you've completed a maneuver, like a turn or a lane change. To manually disengage the turn signal, press the indicator stalk up or down again. Press this button to flash your high beams and reveal the headlamp settings on the touchscreen. Press and hold to fully engage or disengage your automatic high beams. If you prefer to dim your high beams manually, tap here to disable Auto High Beam. Honk your horn by pressing the center of your steering wheel. Press here to wipe the windshield once and bring up wiper settings on the touchscreen. Use the left scroll wheel to select between wiper speeds or set them to auto. Press and hold the wiper button to wash the windshield. To shift, press the brake pedal to reveal the drive mode strip on the touchscreen. Swipe up for drive, down for reverse, and tap P for park. If you'd like to shift out of park automatically, select Controls, Dynamics, and enable Auto Shift out of park. With this setting enabled, pressing the brake pedal will automatically shift your vehicle into drive or reverse depending on your surroundings. Confirm your intended direction on the touchscreen and press the accelerator to go, or swipe up or down on the touchscreen to select a different direction. If you need to shift manually, press P, R, N, or D located on the overhead console. If these buttons are ever unavailable, press the brake pedal and touch one to illuminate them. Turn on hazard warning flashers by pressing this button. If a severe crash is detected, hazard warning flashers turn on automatically and flash quickly to increase visibility. Pressing once returns the lights to their normal cadence, and pressing a second time turns them off. Secure your cargo using the rear and front trunk. To open the front trunk, touch the associated open icon on the touchscreen or in the Tesla app. The plug at the base allows for easy drainage. To close the front trunk, set down the hood and place both hands on the front of the hood. Then press down firmly to engage the latches. To open the rear trunk, press the switch under the liftgate's exterior handle, touch the rear trunk button in the Tesla app or on the vehicle touchscreen. With hands-free trunk enabled, simply approach with your phone key and stand still until it automatically opens. For more space, you can store the parcel shelf and fold the second row seat backs up or down by pressing the corresponding switch located on the left side of the rear trunk. To close the rear trunk, press the switch located on the underside of the liftgate or touch the associated close button on the touchscreen or Tesla app. Alright guys, if you'd like to support us, feel free to use the Super Thanks feature below this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss what's next.